thank you very much for joining us here on Mirror at 2. Let's begin the broadcast with big news that we're tracking as far as the explosion in Delhi is concerned. Big news with explosion that was heard in Delhi's Prashant Vihar. In fact, the cops have reached the spot and the probe is underway. Sources are suggesting that white powder-like substance has been recovered and one injured in low-intensity blast. You're looking at the visuals of that white powder-like substance that has been found at the spot. This is, of course, what sources are suggesting. But this is a similar blast that took place, remember, in CRPF school earlier. So big development on that front as far as this explosion in the national capital. Bhavatosh, my colleague, joins me live for more inputs. Bhavatosh, good afternoon. What are we picking up at the moment?
Well, this incident happened at around 11:48 in the morning. The first call was made at around that time. In fact, we are right outside that spot, in fact, outside that sweet shop. At that spot, the call was made saying that there is a loud explosion, following which the fire department was the first responder. They sent one fire tender, and there is one person who has received injuries. He was, in fact, driving a tempo, and he received injuries after the fire department reached here. They saw some splinters at the spot and white powder. The fire department then informed the local police. The local police reached here, and looking into this case, the police they also reached here. What sources that the white powder could be white powder substance, which was also found at the CRPF public school. Now, remember, around a month back, CRPF public school also saw an incident of explosion, after which Delhi police registered a case under Explosives Act. That case is still not solved. Here also, there are personnel from different agencies who have reached the spot. Now, this place is very crowded. It is in northwest Delhi. There is also a mall right outside this.
All right, Bhavatosh, although you're getting us that big development from the area, in fact, we're running into some sort of a technical issue with your audio line. But what you've essentially pointed out is that it happened at around 11:30 a.m. this morning. Coming to you back, Bhavatosh, you're talking about how prominent this area is. Please go ahead.
Well, as far as this area is concerned, this is a very crowded area of northwest Delhi, and in fact, we are at the spot. And this incident follows what had happened around a month back, 1.5 months back. That case is still unsolved. That happened happened on Sunday. Now, after that incident, there was a social media post which a group claimed responsibility. The veracity of the post was also not confirmed by anyone. The Delhi police, in fact, questioned at least 30-odd people, but that case remained unsolved. That case was, in fact, registered under various sections of Explosives Act. The police said that ammonium nitrate was used, and how that explosion was triggered is still being investigated. Now, what had happened here was that a call was made at around 11:48 a.m. in which there was a loud explosion, but this time around an individual has been injured. He was driving a tempo, after which the fire department reached here. Because looking into the case, the police, in fact, also reached the spot. Following the SOP, the special cell of the Delhi police have reached the spot. It's likely that the police will again register a case under Explosives Act. Now, whether two incidents are related, or whether they are linked, or whether this is an accidental blast, or whether it's an act of mischief, that will be cleared once investigations are completed. Delhi police could be registering a case and could also release an official statement.
Right, Bhavatosh, thank you for joining us with those details from the on-ground situation as to what we're picking up essentially at the moment. But for now, we leave it at that.